and I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
You shot yourself?
Yes, but it's okay. Marla, look at me. I'm really okay. Trust me. Everything's gonna be fine.
You know that feeling you get sometimes when you're standing in a high place? Sudden urge to jump? I don't have it.
I need those chalices.
Only human.
Dodge this.
You mind if I have some of your tasty beverage to wash this down?
Go right ahead.
That hit the spot.
What?
Sorry?
That voice.
Voice?
Didn't you hear it?
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy nobody loves.
Harry!
Did you hear